Guys, welcome once again to Effie's Twist, and today in our kitchen we're making a classical Ghanaian dish called Abomu. I'll be substituting contomere leaves for baby spinach. I'll pour some hot water over my spinach and add my salted tilapia, which I soaked overnight to help get rid of some of the salt. I'll add 1 Roma tomato and allow this to boil for 3 minutes. I'll peel my plantains, add my eggs, some water, salt, put this to a boil for 12 to 15 minutes. Abomu is a Ghanaian dip which can be eaten with yam, plantains, cassava, cocoyam, etc. And today in our kitchen, we'll be using our local food processor called the Sanka to make this dish. However, you can always use an electric food processor for this. We'll start by grinding our onions, habanero pepper, and salt. We'll then add our roasted peanuts and our fermented fish or momone to give it that flavor. We'll then add our boiled tomato and continue grinding this. After cooking our plantains, we'll need to put them in cold water to stop the cooking process and to give it that texture and prevent it from being mushy. It's time to add our spinach. Add salt to your taste, bearing in mind that our salted tilapia and fermented fish are very salty. I'll heat up some palm oil, add my tomatoes, onions, salted tilapia, and smoked mackerel. We'll add in our boiled eggs. And our salted tilapia together with our palm oil and all the juices from this sauce. And friends, trust me, my home smells amazingly divine at this moment. We'll also slice up some avocado and put it on the side. This dish looked so mouth-watering, and the taste was amazing. Friends, I'll be glad if you try your hands on this, and I know you will love it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, and remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for coming along with me on this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!